Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys dark theme, how to enable in our phone. Friends, you want to enable your dark theme in your phone, so friend, how can you enable it? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how to enable dark theme. Open your phone setting guys, and after on phone setting guys you can see this type of settings. So when we will search here guys, display setting guys, so we will click on guys the display setting guys, tap on display. So friends, you can see guys your dark theme setting guys, right side this icon guys, tap here to enable it. After enable guys, you can see guys this more dark mode option guys, tap here. So when you can use guys your adjust wallpaper to dark, you can on and off from here. Adjust tag background automatically guys, you can on and off from here in your phone. Hence you can see guys your dark mode schedule option guys, you want to schedule your dark mode setting, you can schedule from here guys. So I will tap here the right side to enable dark theme setting. So once your dark theme will enable, once you can see guys your background will dark. So like that guys, you can enable your dark theme setting and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.